I wanted to do a couple of field reports to help to identify both insect problems that are common on some plants, as well as the ways and the reasons why Usher Plant Care, we do them in the way that we do them. The boxwood is a common plant on many landscapes, and often it attracts several insects and diseases because it's been compromised in its environmental setting, or because of overuse of chemicals or synthetic fertilizers, and it becomes susceptible to disease-wise boxwood blight. Volatile blight is another one. Insects such as mites and thrips often can devastate boxwoods. One of the most common insects that attacks boxwoods is the boxwood leafminer. The leafminer is a little fly with clear wings and an orange back that will lay eggs in the leaf of the boxwood plant. And these little larvae will grow once they hatch out of the eggs, and they'll feed in between the two layers of the leaves. We'll look at that in just a sec. They'll do that up until about the first week of May, at which time they will emerge from the leaf as flies, as adults again. They'll fly all around the plants. And at that time, in an organic treatment system, is when we would go ahead and we would treat to kill those little flying guys before they try to lay eggs again into the leaves. Chemical methods would apply a strong chemical to the soil, which would translocate through the soil into the plant and make the whole plant toxic. And it does kill them, but it also has deleterious effects on soil microbiology, as well as other insects and pollinators and that sort of thing. So what you'll notice on this, I'm going to try and do this by myself here, is this boxwood in particular has boxwood leafminer. You'll see there are orange blotches on the leaves. Several things can cause orange blotches, but I happen to know that if you take this off here, let's try this, and then look at the other side of the, let's see if we can focus this here, of the leaf. There are bumps. If you were looking at it carefully, you can see that. So there's orangish, yellowish colors, and then there are bumps, which are sort of raised areas. I'm going to take this and split this in half. Let's see if we can do this here. Along the midrib backwards, if we split this open, you'll see inside of it, hopefully, I don't know if you can see that, there are little orange worms. I'll see if I can spill them out. There's one right there. And there are often, 6, 8, 10 of them inside the leaves. And the majority of the leaves in this plant are infected with that, and they will continue to multiply, and on an annual basis they'll do this, and the plant will get weak, and it will make it more susceptible as well to other diseases and insects. What we do during this time is we wait till at the beginning of May, when all these little guys are flying around. We can see that. We'll come and we'll spray something that's almost like a soapy water that will kill the adults before they have a chance to lay eggs again in the leaves. And that way we'll be minimizing the populations that are devastating these plants. They'll need to have some sort of a root and soil rejuvenation with compost tea or something organic in the roots to sort of boost their energy so they can recover. But this is something that's done twice. We'll do it in May, and we'll do it mid-May and late May again. Plants have beneficial insects that can come to kill bad insects that come after them. And they actually can send signals through pheromones and compounds that are changed within the plants when they sense that there's danger. And it's so miraculous. They can actually send specific signals to attract particular beneficial insects to kill the insects that are feeding on them. The unfortunate thing is that we've used chemicals so much in this world and on this island that the beneficial insects are just not plentiful, and there's not enough of them that can come to the plant's rescue. So as much as we'd like to not interfere with Mother Nature, we have to sort of supplement and just be killing these insects without having any collateral damage to the handful of beneficial insects that are still present, so that hopefully those populations will grow and we can become obsolete and go spend our time doing other fun things. Hope this is helpful to you. If you'd like to reach out to us, please do. We can inspect your plants and give you some ideas and thoughts about them. Have a great day. Bye.